Guys, and welcome back to another video, and we will continue the part 2 of how to make money by playing games. And where we left off was a become a video game developer, and the next upcoming topic is set up a video game coaching business. If you like teaching and playing games, you can combine the two interests to set up a video game coaching business. As a video game coach, your responsibilities would entail walking through gameplay tutorials, giving players tips and advice, and helping players improve as they practice for video game tournaments. You can set up your coaching business so it's a mixture of one-on-one teaching and watching videos, so that clients feel engaged and motivated to play better. Video games coaches can earn anywhere between 26,000 dollars a year to $75,000 a year, depending on expertise, the game and other factors. And become a video game journalist. Another great way to explore your interest in video games is to become a video game journalist. You'll report on new releases from video game companies, play games and write reviews and report game tournaments and more. You can be a freelancer video game journalist or apply right for a video game publication. On average, most video game journalists earn between $26,000 to $103,000 based on their expertise profile and portfolio. Become a Q&A tester. When games are being developed, a game tester is needed before the game can be released. That means playing the game, providing feedback on the quality of the game itself, and reporting any bugs or issues you're spotting. As a quality assurance game tester, you can work with a new upgraded game and help make it better. A video game quality assures the tester can be about $50,000 a year on average, but it can also go higher ranges based on expertise. Become a Twitch streamer. Twitch is one of the most popular gaming sites in the world, and many gamers earn real money by streaming their gameplay on platform, and it is one of the more legit money making app in gaming. So learning how to make money on Twitch will pay off. Twitch enables users by monetizing their live streams through ads, subscriptions and more. Twitch can be a lucrative way to use your gaming habit to make money and gain a following for yourself. So earning how to make money on Twitch is a good way to start understanding the platform. And create video game tutorials. You can create specialized video game tutorials and post them on social media platforms such as YouTube and Twitch to make additional money. You can boost your bank account while teaching others how to play and new upgraded games and impart your wisdom. You can choose to focus on your particular game and build a niche, or create a tutorial for many gamers to attract a wider audience. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. We will continue the rest of the topics in the upcoming video. Thank you.